Okay, I'm Louis Johnson, founder, CEO of Alelo, and I'm going to talk with you today about our platform for learning communication skills. So who cares about learning communication skills? Well, the billion people around the world who learning English so that they can use it on the job need good communication skills, and many of them struggle in developing the proficiency they need to use English on the job. People in this country who need to use another language on their job, many of them need good communication skills. Only 1% of American adults have proficiency in the foreign language that they studied in school. And in fact, in many professions, many disciplines, effective communication is increasingly important. And many people, they lack the ability to develop necessary skills. They don't have enough opportunity to practice, and they don't get enough feedback on their mistakes. And these are things that we've focused on in our Nscale platform at Alelo. So we developed this technique initially developing cultural awareness training courses for military people going overseas. We've developed them for over 90 countries now. And the approach that we developed is it's an immersive simulation approach where we put somebody in a simulation where they have to interact with artificially intelligent characters that simulate real-life interactions. This has proved to be very effective because people can practice as much as they want in a safe environment and get feedback. Now what we've done is we have developed a cloud-based platform that applies this, develops this technology, and makes it available to educational institutions around the world. We call it Nscale. It's a cloud-based immersive learning platform that enables people to practice communication skills with what we call virtual role players, artificially intelligent characters that can engage in unscripted conversation. It automatically assesses their communication skills, their competencies as they go through the course and get personalized instruction on where they need to help. And the system is continually collecting data on what mistakes they make, how well they perform, and we mine that data to continually improve the AI models in our system. So this is an AI-based platform for unscripted conversational practice and assessment, and it's now being used around the world. I'll give you a little bit of a view from a video here. Can you play the video, please?
Part of what makes it very easy for people to access is that it just runs in any web browser on any device that basically supports a microphone. A student in Peru, if they want to learn English, they pull up their laptop or their tablet, they bring up a web browser, they connect to the Nscale sim server, and then up comes a role-play simulation, a character on their screen, and then they can just start talking with that character and it will respond to them.
What do you do for fun?
I spend a lot of time playing sports.
Where do you play soccer?
Sometimes I go to Super Sports 7 over on Center Street.
As learners are interacting with Nscale, it's constantly collecting data of what responses the learners are given. And so we use that data to continuously retrain and improve the AI. It's really been a game changer, this ability to collect data and then use it to improve the performance of the platform.
So as you see, we use AI to create these immersive, unscripted conversational simulations, and we use the data that we're collecting from students around the world to continue to improve the platform and maintain our first mover advantage with this technology, which is quite unique. So what this enables us to do is to create learning experiences that are really designed with the end state competencies in mind. We think about, well, what are the communication skills that the learner needs to acquire? We create simulations that enable students to demonstrate their ability to perform those skills. Where they make mistakes, we can use that to automatically select exercises that focus on where they need to improve, and then they can demonstrate at the end that they've actually mastered the skill. So this is a very powerful method for learning communication skills quickly and for maintaining them over time. And this is now being used quite broadly. We launched the Nscale platform about this time last year, and we now have it in use in 20 countries around the world. This is one of the real benefits of delivering this technology in the cloud, and we're continuing to expand the range of countries where this is being used. This is really a global resource for learning. It runs in the cloud. It leverages other types of cloud-based services. So as cognitive services have become available for use by cloud-based applications, we can leverage that and then build on that, taking advantage of the data that we're collecting from learners of what mistakes they make and how they need help. And we have this now running, it's accessible on desktops, in web browsers, on desktops and mobile devices. We have a prototype virtual reality interface. We see it has had a lot of potential. So we're now initially focusing on spoken English around the world. We see a wide range of applications for this type of technology, for creating rich, immersive simulations. And our goal for this platform is to open it up so that our partners can create their own immersive simulations, run them on our platform, and we see this as a way of scaling up revenue quite rapidly. We have a recurring revenue model that scales with a number of registered users. So just to wrap up, the advantages from the learner's perspective of Nscale is it gives them a good opportunity to practice, and it gives teachers the opportunity to monitor what students are doing and really help them be more effective in their classroom activities as well. So thank you.